How do you add payment methods to Soligent Connect and make payments on your invoices? Let's take a look. First, let's add some payment methods. Log in to your Soligent Connect account and select the Account Overview option under the Welcome dropdown. On the My Account page, go to the Settings dropdown. Notice that you have two payment method options, credit cards and ACH payments. Let's add a new credit card. Select the Credit Cards option in the menu. On this page, you'll see any previously added cards. You can edit or remove the existing cards. You can also add a new card. When you select the Add Card option, a pop-up will display where you can add the card number, choose the expiration date, and record the name on the card. You can also make this your default card. Then select the Add Card button. Your new card will now display in the list of credit cards. Let's try this with ACH payments. Select the ACH payments link. As with the credit cards, you'll see any previously added accounts on this page, and you can edit or remove them. Select the Add Bank Account button to set up a new account. In the pop-up, record all the required bank account details, including your account number, account type, routing number, bank name, and owner name. You will also need to set your limit for this card. Note that the limit amount you record here is per transaction. Then select the Add ACH button to complete the setup. You can also add new payment methods when you check out. When you arrive on the Choose Payment Method page while checking out, notice that you can choose between ACH and credit or debit card. You can select any existing options from these lists, and you can also add new payment options. Let's make a payment on an invoice. To find your invoices, navigate to the My Account page and select the Billing dropdown. Select the Invoices link from the list. Here, you'll see a list of all your open invoices. To make payments on your invoices, you can either use the Make a Payment button at the top of the Invoices page, or use the Make a Payment button on any of your individual invoice pages. Selecting the Make a Payment button will take you to the Make a Payment page. Here, you'll see a list of all your open invoices and the amounts due for each one, as well as a payment summary for the total amount due. You'll be able to decide which ones you will pay now. You can also use the Edit Payment button on individual invoices to record a partial payment amount against that invoice. When you're ready to proceed, select the Continue button. You can now select your preferred payment method and submit your payment. Notice that any existing cards or bank accounts for ACH will be available for selection, but you can also add new payment methods directly from this page. When you've selected your preferred payment method, hit the Submit button. At this point, your payment has been successfully made for your invoices, and you will be taken to the Transaction History page where you can view all previous invoice payments.